Good morning, followers. Good morning, YouTubers. I greet you in this morning hour. I greet you by the name of God. I hope you're well. I hope you are good because it's a privilege and honor. Every day is a merciful day that realize that the Lord is there for us. Yes, 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 yes. And that I can never greet you in any other name. Is the name of God. But we are fabulous people. It's Saturday is the sixth day of the week. Saturday is a day where most of the people, you can see I'm just on my way. Look here, this behind the cemetery. Those trees are behind the cemeteries. You can see those trees are behind the cemeteries. The hospital is in this side. You can see the hospital. Yes, yes, yes. This is a road that I go. This is the road that I go to the people that I work. Yes, yes. I'm gonna see some of the people to do things for the Saturday hours in this morning. I hope you're well. I hope you do good. So I said, yes, it's a day of relaxable. Most of them didn't work on a Saturday. Most of them they are at home and and relax a little bit, begin a little bit late after this hard working week. Yes, it was a blissful week this week. Yes, yes, yes. We are all blessed because why blessings come. Blessing comes in every way. Come the blessings, especially you. Yes, yeah, you are so blessed. And this morning, yes, I'm gonna do some things there, but those people clean up things again, washing some of the cars, broom a little bit, take the leaves out of the garden, especially all those dry leaves. Don't forget to take all the dirty stuff out of your garden. That's so important to take things out of your garden in your yard, especially if there's no one that you prefer to tell and to clean up around your area. It's better to do things for yourself. I always said it on my previous videos. It's better to do things for yourself. Yes, fabulous people. Look here. There was trees here around in this area and they was cutting that off because why you can see those big trees. There were small trees around like these trees. You can see these trees. This was the trees. This is the tree how they grow up here. You understand? This is the tree how they grow up. And when it's grow up, they come bigger like this. Come bigger like this ones. You can see. You can see they cutting all the stumps area. They cutting it down, and you can see those big stumps. Yes, yes, those big stumps in the ground. Yes, yes, those very big stumps in the ground. Yes, 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 yes. They're cutting like this everywhere. But behind those, you can see those younger ones. They're cutting like that, and they put poison in it. I think yes, yes, chemicals. They put chemicals on those that they never come out again. You understand? Never out again. But the rainwater is very powerful. Talk about rain. We have a few days we have rain. Yesterday we have rain, and we are so glad and so happy for the rain. Yes, we need this rain because if we don't have this rain for our trees in our garden and our flowers, especially the farmers, they need the rain the most. You understand rain? Look here, how full is this hole here? And that's water coming from the drain set of the houses around the houses. Yes, yes, yes. And it come every time it's always wet here when it's rain. But when it's rain, it's full up like this. Otherwise, it never rain. It's dry. It's dry. Yes, yes, yes. But we're thankful for the rain. And the rainwater water is very good. That helps the things very grow fast. There's just a particular thing in the rainwater. You understand this particular thing in the rain. Yes, yes. How look the trees around there. Very beautiful. You know that's why. Yes, yes. It's called this fat plant. This is a fat plant. You understand? It's very nice. They put them here outside in the field side behind, near to the houses, and they come with the yes, yes, yes. This one is very healthy, and this one is very good. When you put those these plant in a tree, in a pot, sorry, in a pot, you will see that look very nice and smart, and it grow very well. You understand? Particularly, you can see, and this is the doring one. You can see the doring one. You can see those dorings. You can see this long sharp dorings. Yes, you can see this. Yes, yes, yes. This trees was very young. They put it in here and it grow very well. You understand? And this one is a nice one to have in your garden somewhere. that break the view of your garden, because it's very wild. All this sharp nails, yes, sharp mud points. Yes. When it touch your body, when it touch you, your it burn like hell. You understand? But most of the people, what we do here, if you have a garden, if you have a garden, and your garden is open, especially when your wires of your space around your view is not really close. You understand? There's open holes that the animals are coming inside there. Then you can take those sharp um, sharp trees and leaves, and you can put it around you that I showed you earlier. You understand? And then you can put it around you. No one is gonna come there because it's too sharp, and when they touch them, they burn them. You understand? But so like to describe this video. I will talk later in the day again. Share this video, and yes, Mr. D do everything. I love you. Have a nice Saturday morning. God bless you.